Happy fall, everybody. It's Donna, your small apartment dweller, and it's the weekend, and I've got a lot of things to do, starting with my favorite, not laundry. Okay, so happy weekend, everyone. I am here in my bathroom, and I am doing laundry. This is my portable washer spinner, and oh my gosh, I totally forgot how many gallons it is. I'll make sure I insert it here, but this is my new one and I am so happy with it because it's so much larger. Even though it's still small and compact, that one it's larger than my previous one. My previous one was a total of 13 gallons. And so you have to be careful because I saw that word 13 or the number 13. And I thought, awesome, it's going to be big for all my wash. But that was a combination. That was a total of the washer and the spinner gallon. So my washer on the previous one was 8 gallons and the spinner was 5. And that gave us 13. And so technically they weren't really that big. Right now I'm just in the middle of washing a rug and I think I put way too much soap in there. And that is something you have to be cautious of, and I'll get to that in a minute. So again, I think this is a 20 gallon. I'll have to double check that. But washer spinner, it hooks up to my, in my bathroom to my shower, and drains in the tub, and I absolutely love it. I have an actual portable dryer outside. I have a small apartment, and so it does not have a washer and dryer hookup. There's no common laundry room, and I really just got fed up going to the laundromat. So my previous washer I had for almost 8 years, and she did a terrific job. I was just in heaven. I mean, I could wash my sheets and things like that. Larger things like duvet covers and stuff, yeah, I did take to the laundromat, but it was far and few between at times that I had to do that. So I just wanted to show you the power of the agitation on this. Let me just, and I'll give you the brand information on this new one in just a moment. So I'm just going to turn it back on. It's 15 minutes for washing, and then I think it's 5 minutes for spinning. But let's take a look at the agitation. It's pretty powerful. Stops and then goes back the other way. I've kind of mastered it, but you have to be super careful not to put too much, close that top, not to put too much soap in here, because what happens is you're going to have to keep filling it back up with water and draining it out, filling it up, draining it out. And if you don't get all the suds out and you try to put it in your spinner, it's going to fill that up with suds, and you're going to have to, at least on my old one, I had to turn it upside down and like let all the stuff drain out. So be very careful on how much liquid soap, especially, that you're putting in here. So the way I have mine set up, I found a microwave cart at the thrift shop and took the top shelf off so that my washer spinner could sit down in it, and it's on wheels, and I just wheel it out and it parks itself here in my hallway in this little corner here, and then I just wheel it into my bathroom. But I am so grateful and thankful to have this because, again, I don't have to lug all my stuff to the laundromat. I'm in heaven over it. If you live in a small apartment that does not have washer dryer hookup or a common laundry room, this might be your answer. A portable washer spinner. It's not a washer dryer, it's a spinner. But I will tell you that the spinner spins almost dry, and you can hang up your things afterwards. Here's what I've done. I'll take you outside and show you my clothesline. Okay, it is another hot day here in Southern California. This is my clothesline. Let that plane go by. I've had this clothesline as long as I've had my portable washer, about 8 years, and it just collapses like an umbrella kind of thing. When you're not using it, you just collapse it, and then when you're ready to use it, you just open it back up. And so depending on the weather, it takes about 15 minutes for my clothes to dry, and I'm good to go. So now I'm going to show you my little portable washer, or my portable dryer. This is my portable dryer. It is a Panda, and believe it or not, I found this sitting outside in the alley. I was driving home one night and it was sitting outside. And I really wanted a portable dryer, but I wasn't ready to spend the money for it. But I brought this home, checked it out, cleaned it up really good, and it works. And so I'm so happy with it. But yeah, it's and the capacity is pretty big inside, as you can see. I've got some stuff in there that I'm getting ready to dry. And that's how I'm spending my morning.